Speaker, sir, I rise to speak on the demands pertaining to various portfolios under the charge of Honorable Minister Vishwajit Rani. Speaker, sir, these demands play a vital role in shaping the overall well-being and development of our state. They touch every aspect of public life, from healthcare, urban planning, environment protection, and welfare of women and child. Speaker, sir, first of all, I would like to thank the Honorable Minister for improving healthcare facilities across the state. But a lot of other reforms have to be done. Speaker, sir, when we talk about Goa Medical College, uh, it is not only me. I think so most of the MLAs will have the same problems. When the patients come to GMC, a lot of complaints are there. Shortage of beds. Doctor hai, but magdista bed nahi. And I don't know why the health minister, after so many years, you being the health minister, you have taken the standard of Goa Medical College to a good level. But basic beds na mun lokak sokol nitpa pada. And this is very pathetic. Janna mutai beds nahi. Doctor hai, medicine hai, care jata, but beds nahi. I don't know what is the reason. So I think this is a very serious matter that it's a small thing, but ಒಳ್ಳೆ beds na stretcher chair kodlanche boson treatment ಇದೆ drips ಇದೆ. I think so bad cause, but honorable health minister has to take care of this. Because sir, when I speak about KPM, speaker sir, आमगेले दोन primary आमगेले health मार्गे community health centers have been renovated. One is in Kotombi, KPM, and one is Pisonne in Barshem. These health centers, I got a SMS from the health minister last session that he will come and do the inauguration. Paulna, one Kotumbi Toribusanami, without any formal thing we have started, but in Pisonne, this health center has not been operational. I urge the health minister, take your time. Last time I promised, but you have not come. But just see, both the centers have to be inaugurated, and at least full-fledged, at least a doctor, nurse from morning till evening, because these places are remote areas, Pisone, Barshem, ST community, Bharpura. Tenga barik se kiten zal dala tenga pauna. They come Bali, some of them collapse on the way because ambulances are short in Bali. So Magdista, this has to be taken utmost care. So I urge the health minister to look into this matter and sort it out. Speaker sir, आमगेले केपें जे प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटर I spoke the other day also. ताका आतां आमगे थर्ड डिस्ट्रिक्ट जाल्या कुशावती. म्हाका हें आतां डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल म्हण एक दर दिवपा देव. There are a lot of facilities which are lacking there. Anik second chief minister उलयता आसो म्हणपा लागलो dialysis, we have to prevent dialysis. The prevent dialysis koto जाल्यार म्हाका everyone has to your day to day your living has to be changed, and it is not within chief minister सांगले आणि हालीसोन dialysis or kidney failure ये problem solve जातली म्हणून. But what is the problem now? Because our area, Kepe Madar Sangamaksa, because of might be a water issue, whatever, lot of dialysis cases, kidney failures issues are there. So I urge the health minister, Mashe, to get give instructions. We need space, we need a dialysis unit, and borrow at least 4 or 5 stretches at the moment, at the time. That has to be done. Because sir, there are short of doctors there. आमकां म्हाका दिसता कार्डियक दोतोर थिंगा केन्ना येना डेंटल I think 1 or 2 a week he comes there. Basic आनी फॅसिलिटी जाय तो वस्तू थिंगा नाही. आत्तां पयर सांगलें एंटी रेबीज थिंगा वॅक्सीन नाही. Mostly I don't know the director also. After that I took it up. I think so the doctor got a call from the director also. Very good instant phone येयलो. So but these things basic to check the sugar levels, glucometer नासले पयर. So, I don't know why the department, when the health minister is active, I think so the department has to be proactive in getting these things and your basic also, but nine. So this has to be taken care. तशेंच speaker sir, जेन्ना आमी उलयता आतां diabetes, आतां सांगलेपण, and because of diabetes there are a lot of other different other cases come, because जेन्ना तुका diabetes जाता kidney failure might be because of high blood pressure, kidney failure but government awareness but basically what I want to say is that this dialysis have to be taken there. Speaker sir, ambulances cardiac ambulance in Sangya, but KPM being the center, cardiac ambulance is need of the hour. So I request the honorable minister, cardiac ambulance in KPM Dorpaji station Gorpaji Sari Goraza. I need assurance from the health minister, then before this session ends, that these instructions should be given. आता speaker sir, when I talk about ambulances, आख्खे केपेंच्या ते एरिया फुल केपें जावं काणकोण जावं सांगे जावं कुचोऱ्या जावं थिंगा हस वॅन आमकां कोणाकूय थिंगा ना एक हस वॅन गव्हर्मेंट डिपार्टमेंटान ना आय एम युजींग लास्ट 5 years पर्सनल हेल्थ वॅन आय केटर टू नॉट ओनली केपें सांगे कुचेर इवन वेळ्ळे भागान आमी धाडटाय सो गव्हर्मेंटान एक तर चोवपा जाय हिंगसोन समज तर खूंय वतले वॅन वॉट हॅपन्स वॅन द केतले कोणा बॉडी मेळ्ळी पुलीस खंय तरी कितें जालें पुलीस आमकां फोन करना ते body or parity. So department I think so have to have a provision of a husband there. Last time minister promised Kelly Azun Palna. So I urge the honorable minister to provide this husband there. Speaker sir, demand number 55, municipal administration. Speaker sir, Magdista municipal administration is important. Anik despite government anik notification called 25th 7/2025 हा मुद्दाम रीड करता ते आनी तेजेर कितें बरयलें की henceforth all the department corporation bodies local bodies shall not engage additional daily wages NMR staff in the organization all such engagements and additional daily wages and staff shall be done compulsory through Goa Human Resource Development. But केपेंच्या मुन्सिपालिटीन म्हाका दिसता एक हे भायर काडो आनीक almost 10 or 12 staff directly घेवपाक गेले. When I brought to the honorable minister notice, he called the director and it was stopped, held dovele. But these things shouldn't be happening because आता इलेक्शनाचो टाइम इलेक्शन आसतली मुन्सिपालिटीची आनीक लाखांनी पयशे घेवन भितरल्यान हे आपणाल्या मनशां भितो काताय. So I think so the honorable chief minister मातशें तुगेले डिपार्टमेंटाक डायरेक्टराक सांग असली फकाण करप जायना आनी बिकॉज आपणा जाय तेका म्हणजे इलेक्शना म्हळ्यार सरकार एक कोता हिंगा स्टेट लेवलार ती म्युनिसिपालिटी करपा लागल तुगेली सो बी सिरियस हें कोनाका वेन देर इज अ नोटिफिकेशन तुगे पोत्तून आहाय ते म्युनिसिपालिटी आपण दाद म्हणटाय आनी हे असले नाटक कोताय स्पीकर सर जेन्ना म्युनिसिपल इलेक्शन आहाय. This time, I think so. It has been heard that there is a delimitation of wards, might be increase of wards, and this time it might be done on basis of population. And there will be a reservation also. So I urge the government to give a proper reservation for ST, might be OBC, SC, based on the data. Apnangle baba kona ha mun test kon diupa jaina. It has to be done properly based on the data, what is census, what is there. Speaker sir, this is a very important thing. Municipal garden of Kepe. Last time maka honorable chief minister assurance dille to write to him and he will give me the NOC to upgrade the Kepe municipal garden because it is under the Kepe municipality. And I had got funds from ONGC, CSR and Tengele, almost more than 48 lakhs to upgrade the municipal garden. आता almost 1.5 years जाले म्हाका NOC केपें म्युनिसिपालिटीन दिवना. I urge the government सरकारा एप्लिकेशन केलें पोत्तून DMN काळांनी ते केपें म्युनिसिपालिटी धाडन आजपासून ते NOC मेळना. I don't know असली केसो राजकारण चलत काय म्हूण. This shouldn't be done. So minister मातशें हें आयक हें तुमकां कांय पयशे कोणे सरकाराक कितले आहाय ते खबर ना. Then ONGC is giving me funds to renovate when I had asked कोर म्हणल्यार जालें एशको हाल्या वचून स्टार्ट करपाचें तूं म्हाका कायद्यान NOC दिना चीफ मिनिस्टर तुवें दिलें युअर डिपार्टमेंट हेज जस्ट पुटींग द पेपर्स फ्रॉम हियर टू देर टू हियर यू ऑल डोंट हॅव पावर्स म्युनिसिपालिटी ऑपोजिशन हांव ऑपोजिशन तेंगे कळे तुमगे म्युनिसिपालिटी म्हण म्हाका परमिशन दिनाय वाय इट इज लायक दॅट बिकॉज ऑफ दीस पॉलिटिक्स पीपल आर सफरींग it might be the garden it might be the police station it might be the Kepe municipality building can do the before the session ends you give me the permission. You'll be on record. Okay, so you want me to again make a letter on the based on the old letter? Okay, I'll send you a copy. You have to keep up to your words, assurance, Speaker sir. Speaker sir, transparency मुद्दे मागं जसता, मरे 5 मिनिट जातीं आहे. मागं सुद्धा या municipal जेन्ना आमी कसलीं काम कोताय when you are using municipal funds, तेंका accountability कोणाक काय ना. एक बारीक से काम I will put it to your notice. One work money was already taken away. When I brought it to the notice of the municipal engineer, आफ्टर 6 months ते मागीर काम केलां आनी नाल्यार विजिलन्साक घातो म्हूण. सो तूं गोळे बरो आसतलो तुगे डिपार्टमेंट कितें कोत्ता इंजिनियर बीन चोय म्युनिसिपल तुगे नोदोर मातशें थिंगाय दवर. स्पीकर सर, वुमन एंड चायल्ड म्हाका दिसता लास्ट 3 years आमगेले केपें मतदारसंघाक 1021 beneficiaries have received grey Aadhaar scheme and from my office. And म्हाका दिसता 724 Ladli Lakshmi forms have been approved by you. I thank you for that because it's a huge number. And म्हाका दिसता ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टराक देव बरें करूं म्हणपा पडलें कितलें हें तेणें केलां. स्पीकर सर, आतां जायत जाणांक टायमार ते पयशे न्हय. सरकार सदां म्हणटा आतां चीफ मिनिस्टर एवरी 10th they will get it, but I think so it's only here in the house, not actually on banka पयशे येताय कितें तें चोवपा पडलें. But this is very important that तांकां जे टायमार हे पयशे आहाय ते येवपा जाय. स्पीकर सर, ते अंगणवाडी जे आहाय आमगेले केपें मतदारसंघ अंगणवाडी आहाय मोस्टली इन रेंटेड प्लेसीस आनी रेंटेड प्लेसीस आहा तांकां म्हाका दिसता 1 or 2 हजार कितें तांकां रेंट मेळटा. लास्ट टायम मिनिस्टर हॅड प्रॉमिस्ड दॅट ही वील इनक्रीज, बट आज पासून कांय ना. तांकां अंगणवाडीचा बेजीक फॅसिलिटी भुरग्यांक टॉयलेट नाही, बसपा बेंचीस नाही, काय ना. आणि सरकार NIT IITचे उलयता 2 मिनटो सो ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर प्लीज सी that you look into this matter. Speaker sir, जेन्ना when we talk about forest, जे आमगेल्या बागान केपेंच्या हे दोंगर ही झाडां हे ST बांद राखून दवरले. आज तुगे फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट when they grow आमगेले सिजनल जे रोयताय तेंगेले व्हेजिटेबल्स बीन हे तांकां तुगेले RFO बीन येताय ते काडपा लायताय. So give instructions to that. There is one road and last SMDO had promised me that you will give NOC Savrikode Kazuwado in Morpila Panchayat area almost 200 stretch. अजून रोड ना तांकां. आमी 60 वर्स 65 years लिबरेशन जाले रस्तो ना थिंगा. प्लीज ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर मातशें येस म्हूण एश्योरन्स दी NOC दित म्हूण तुगे फॉरेस्ट एक रस्तो 150 मीटर दित म्हूण सांग.
श्री प्रमेन शेट
मेक अ स्टेटमेंट टेल मी.
PCC बसला सांगता PCC वागदी म्हणून.
ओके
झालं तुझं.
स्पीकर ना स्पीकर सर, टाउन अँड कंट्री प्लॅनिंगाचे तोड उलयना. There have been lot of plots, orchard plots, लाखांनी square meter orchard. I'm not talking about any other section. Any section मा बिरेच वेला 39 की जाल ते सगळे खबर आहा. So main thing is that almost 3.5 lakh square meter of land, orchard land, private मनशांनी येन थिंगा plot केले आणि लोक आतिंग फसला.
झालं 13
So just see, तुका last time तू म्हटले आपण सगळ्यांना ते कॅन्सल करतले. You have to give instruction of केपें ऑफिस. या पयलीं कोण आलो तेमी लोकांक फोनाक आयले. एक बायोटेक म्हणून कंपनी आहा तेमी प्लॉट कोण इकलाय. पीपल आर नॉट गेटिंग एनी कनेक्शन मेळना. प्लॉट कोण इकलाय. जस्ट सी दॅट यू कॅन्सल एवरीथिंग.
झालं प्रमेन शेट.
Because